What's up, YouTubers? I'm going to show you how I clean my lathe. Alright, so it's time to clean the lathe. I moved to this house about a year and 3 months ago. I used to have a wood shop. I built a wood shop in my old house in the backyard with one of my best friends, one of my neighbors, mentor, father-like person, and my lathe at the old house would always build up like a patina because it wasn't climate controlled or anything like that. And for a long time, I would just wet sand my lathe bed down with some waterproof sandpaper, very fine grit. And for Christmas this year, my sister, thank you Jennifer, she bought me this is rust remover, and this is protectant. What brand is this? Bow Shield. Can you guys see that? Alright, that's the protector. This is the remover. Make sure you use gloves if you use this. It says it has phosphoric acid in it. Directions. Light rust. Apply rust-free to soft cloth and wipe off rusty and spotted areas. For heavy rust, spray rust-free directly on rusted surface and scrub with Scotch-Brite. Scotch-Brite. So what I've been using is a green. Okay. If I remember correctly, green is on Scotch-Brite's website is 180 grit or 120. I think it's 180. And then the maroon is, I think, 400. But anyway, I will research that by the end of the video and share that. Alright, so you scrub with this, and then after that's dry, you spray this over it, and you let it dry, and then you wipe it off. Now, what I've always done is use Johnson's paste wax.
Alright, look, we touched on this a little bit
yesterday. So when I first started turning about 5 years ago, I bought a shopsmith on Craigslist for a couple $100 because I was going to get into woodworking and thought I was going to do like furniture and stuff like that. And I was watching YouTube videos from Papa Doug. His name's Doug Reed. He was a shopsmith instructor, I guess is the best way to say it, for years. And I hope you're doing well, Doug. I haven't seen videos from a long time, so I hope you're doing well. If not, thank you for giving me a new passion in my life, because that's where it all started, with a little bitty shopsmith. And I'll put a picture at the end of the video for those that don't know what a shopsmith is. It's like a 7-in-1 woodworking tool. But anyway, so Doug Reed lubricated everything on that tool with paste wax. So for years I've always done paste wax, and I still like the paste wax because I feel like after, I don't know if you guys can tell, I cleaned this part of the lathe, and I just heard my wife yelling at me inside my head going, why aren't there before and after pictures? Because I never take before and after pictures. So I figured, why not take a video of just this last section that I have to clean. So what I've done in the past is just wipe everything down with this, and it helps everything slide nicely. And from what I've done on this side, I've done this, But then I've also put the paste wax on top of it. And I have an extension bed off the left side of this, or to your right. For doing big bowls, you can do, I think, up to 22 inches. And you can take that bed off and you can put it over here to do really long spindles. And if you were paying attention in my intro, the little trailer there, the trailer has those spindles sitting on the lathe. And that bed that's down here that I'll show you later at the end of the video actually gets clipped onto this end and it extends it another 20 inches. So those spindles I did, it was for a table in the Hartville marketplace. So it's nice to have. So let's get to scrubbing away and hopefully making this nice and shiny. Time to buff it. Yeah, buddy, let's wax the bed. Now while we're waiting for the bed to dry, why don't you check out my other YouTube videos. I'm going to have a few adult pops and get yelled at by my old lady. How's that sound? Buff the bed again. Alright, let's see how everything slides. Nice and smooth. Alright, well that was pretty quick and easy. Everything's sliding real good. Can't complain on that. Rest looks good. Well, maybe not. There we go. Nice and smooth. Headstock's good. So I'll show you that bed extension. I'd like to show. I didn't take before and after pictures of the bed extension, but down inside the gap, you can see how bad it was. Just after 1 year in the new house, the patina did build up. This is a fairly new lathe. I bought it 13 months ago. But the bed extension was on my old lathe, and it did have quite a bit. So I'll put some before and after, well, not before and after pictures, but I'll try to zoom in on that bed extension to where you can see how bad it was. So where's this stuff at? Put it away already. I apologize, I'm OCD. I gotta put it back. I blame the Marine Corps. So it's Bow Shield T9 Rust Corrosion Protection, Waterproof Lubrication. That's step 2. Well, in my case, yeah, it was step 2. In my case, I added a step. It doesn't say to put wax on top of it, but I like to wax everything, except for my body. So both of these are Bow Shield. I'm going to sign off. Remember, it's not rocket science. God bless our troops, firefighters, police, and our teachers. See you next time.